Can you reduce your energy bill by being smart with your fridge and freezer? Certainly. Your fridge and freezer are among the few appliances that run continuously, so it's important to use them efficiently. Firstly, ensure they're set at the correct temperature, 5 deg for your fridge and 18 DC for your freezer. Secondly, defrost your freezer regularly. A buildup of ice forces your freezer to work harder using more energy. Lastly, keep your fridge and freezer full. They work more efficiently when full.